John Hall, no. It's time to go. Vote no. Vote Hall, vote no. John 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 Hall, vote no. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here together today to let John Hall, our congressman in the 19th district, know that we do not agree with this oversized, large government health care plan that's going to bankrupt this district. Let's tell John Hall how we feel.
John Hall, go!
John Hall, go! John Hall, go! John Hall, go! John Hall, go! John Hall, go! John Hall, go! John Hall, must 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 go! Thank everyone for coming and telling the chant. Say your name. I've asked some great questions at the town hall meeting.
Hi, everyone.
Hey!
Citizens for Freedom. My name is Anna. I'm with the As a Mom group. And I think we have some 912 Orange Sullivan 912 group here. Thank you everyone for coming. We didn't know we needed a permit, but I've never expected this size crowd either. There's a lot of us. Keep up the work.